Can you see that angry big fella over there? Look at that magnificent, spectacular, breathtaking OSL magenta sword. Now listen, let's make painting great again. Check the H-Vision channel on Patreon for more.
Black and Viking gold from scale 75, and I mix black with Viking gold. I will add steel to the previous mix. Time for the wash Wyldwood contrast. Let's add some patina, and I will use Emerald from Vallejo Watercolor. Dilute it a little bit and just apply in the deepest parts of the shoulder pad, and I want to focus more on the center part of the armor. Let's add white to the emerald, and I take a better brush for that with a fine tip, and I will just highlight that in the deepest areas. Black, Viking gold and steel. I will use that mix for the final touches to paint highlight edges. Finished shoulder part looks like this.